Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Mastery. We're going to unlock the secrets of duplicating objects, a core skill for any designer. First, the classic copy and paste. Select your object with the selection tool, head to the edit menu. Click copy, then paste. Boom, a duplicate. Ctrl+C then Ctrl+V, or Cmd+C, Cmd+V for speed. Next level, paste in place. Copy your object, then choose paste in place. It places a duplicate directly on top, perfect for fine-tuning. The Alt Option drag method is super useful. Select your object, hold Alt on PC or Option on Mac, drag and clone at the same time. Now, the transform panel. Select your object, go to transform, then move input the distance. Check the copy option. To create a pattern quickly, use the Ctrl+D or Cmd+D repeat feature. Repeat the last transformation. Practice these techniques, and your design workflow will transform. Like and subscribe for more Illustrator magic.